This is the student's first time through a double lane roundabout. These are pretty tight curves. There's going to be two stop signs coming up. The first one has a double stop sign. It's a little bit more obvious, but I still had to tell him to make sure he stopped. There's no street on the left on this one. But look at the next one coming up. There's only one stop sign off to the right. He doesn't see it. The car on the left, the white car, is already stopped. So we had to swerve to avoid a collision. Look for your stop signs.